Melissa Browne, a renowned Australian finance expert, made a shocking decision during her divorce that still haunts her today. At the age of 33, she took a drastic step that left her financially devastated, but it became the catalyst for a powerful transformation. In an emotional revelation on the 7 News podcast, Money Talks, Browne shares how a single moment after her divorce changed everything. She recalls, "After my divorce, my ex-husband made a comment that I'd never make it on my own. In a moment of defiance, I gave away all my divorce settlement and emptied my business and personal accounts to charity." She refers to this as her scorched earth moment. But here's the twist. Browne soon realized the gravity of her impulsive decision. "It was an emotional decision I later regretted. I had nothing left, no savings, no cash flow, not even a rental bond." She had to start from rock bottom, moving in with friends and accumulating debt. This experience became a turning point, leading Browne to reevaluate her relationship with money. She discovered that many others shared similar struggles, feeling lost or overwhelmed by financial mistakes. This realization inspired her to dedicate her work to helping Australians, particularly women, regain confidence in their financial lives. Browne, author of best-selling books like UNF********, Your Finances and Budgets Don't Work, But This Does, now empowers others through her own journey. She emphasizes the importance of self-awareness and consistent action, starting with small steps. It's about taking control and learning from your mistakes, she advises. The Money Talks podcast, powered by Vanguard, aims to demystify personal finance for Australians. It features experts sharing practical insights on investing, superannuation, savings, and retirement. Listeners share their honest money stories, allowing experts to address the emotional aspects of financial decisions. The podcast also highlights the power of long-term investing. Adrian Blazik, an investor, shares his success story, emphasizing the importance of sticking to a strategy. Vanguard's 2025 index chart reveals that a $10,000 investment in shares 30 years ago would have yielded significantly higher returns than keeping the same amount in cash. This data-driven approach to financial education is what Money Talks is all about. It encourages listeners to take control of their financial future, make informed decisions, and build lasting wealth. But the question remains: are you ready to take control of your money and invest in your future?